Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of my cooking show. So today's Kracie kit is a little bit more exciting than the last one. This one seems to have a lot more packets inside and you have more segments. I think you just have overall more things to do. First thing, you gotta look out for some Kracies. These cut lines. You usually need to do something with the wrapper. Maybe a rolling bowl, or it might be like a mixing pad. I'm gonna see later. So you have 5 powder packets, a bag of like decorative balls, a piping bag, a spoon, and of course the mixing bowl / tray. And I'm just cutting where it says for the measuring cup. You have a star here and a heart here. Get 2 measures of water for this side. I just make sure to really fill it up. And then in part 2, the yellow sachet goes in here. Oh, it smells bad because this is expired. I hope it rises. Using the included spoon, just mixing it. Clean that spoon. And then I'm gonna mix. Oops, that's annoying. Ah! No! This is obviously 500 watts, 60 watts, 600 watts. I don't know what that 60 and 50 is. Is it the time? Why does this say 10? Okay, so my supposed microwave instructions were correct. The cake is really spongy now. I think the 10 means to let it cool for 10 seconds. This is so amazing. This is an expired mix by like 2 years, but as you can see, the cake is super spongy. This. Okay, I think a good thing to do would be to scoop out the sides. Oh my gosh! So perfect! Ah! Okay, I hope I can like release the other Kraken. Yay! Okay, so I'm gonna leave my 2 cakes here to cool. 1 measure of water. Took my red sachet, combined that. I'm supposed to scoop it out onto this extra mold. It's so beautiful. In the star bowl, take 2 waters. Put the blue sachet. So I'm just like digging in and trying to see if there's still like loose powder. I see some here. I'm just like gonna reintegrate them into the mix. 1 water. Take your pink sachet. Why does this look super grainy? Everything smells nice, but the last time I tried to eat good smelling but expired Kracie, it was disgusting. And now on to decorating the cake. Finally, take the first cake, slather it up. I'm just trying to put some icing on the sides without really, yuck, without really getting too messy. It's so hard to ice the cake with this spoon. It doesn't look good. I was gonna say it doesn't look too bad, but I peeked at the side and it looks like poop a little bit. Why did I buy these? These are awful. But look how precise that is. These things are so exact. That's why they're fun to do. You kind of don't have to think a lot. You just like trust in all the thinking that somebody else has done for you. They show in the instructions that you have to fold the bag halfway open. That's how bakers do it too, when you're like loading a piping bag. I'm not gonna follow the instruction because I want to cut a smaller hole. Ooh! Oh my gosh. Get out! Woohoo! Whoa! Okay, let's do it like that. Basically like cross. Oh yeah, I'm such a great cake decorator. Ah! I really hate these crazy kits that sort of make you use your imagination. I just want to be dumb. This is not relaxing me at all. Like sprinkles and hoops. You can tell I love cake decorating. This looks a little poopy. This is bad. This is worse than the ice cream. I swear I'm really good at crazies. It's hard when there's like air bubbles. Your lines look so unsteady. And when you're working with such small details, oof. Every single curvature is like on front and center. Let's just put like some division here because there's like yeah! No! No! Oh my gosh. I totally killed the cake. No. No. Let's make like a flower here. Why not? Yeah. Yeah. I'm so great. And that's our crazy cake. Hope you guys enjoyed. So thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys would subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up for more Kracie Popin adventures.